Hi, it's Sandra here from Create in Spain. Now, I'm sure you're all familiar with this sort of thing. Normal earbuds. Now, I use earbuds quite a lot because I do like to actually sit in my lounge, particularly editing my YouTube videos. So I use earbuds all the time, for hours, quite often at a time. Now, there's a couple of problems with these. Firstly is they are obviously physically attached to my laptop. The second problem with these is no matter what brand I've had, and I've had some expensive ones, and these are really, really cheap ones, as in the €2 variety, they never seem to last. I don't know what it is, but eventually one side or the other packs up. Fed up with those. So, I have got these. I asked my son to see if he could find me some cordless headphones for my Christmas present. And he has come up with these. And he got me these because he's been using them himself when he goes to the gym. And he likes them. So, they're not actually completely cordless. They have a cord between one earbud and the other. But this is fine because this can go around the back of my head, it doesn't get in the way, and I don't have anything to unplug, so that's not a problem. Anyway, it comes in this quite nicely packaged box. Comes with its manual. Now, the earbuds are pretty simple. There is a control mechanism on the lead, which has got backwards, forwards, play, and the middle button functions as an on and off switch. To switch it on or to switch it off, you hold down that middle button and you will see a blue light come on, and it also audibly tells you that your earbuds are connected or not connected, as the case may be. So that's pretty simple. So you have an instruction booklet, and it comes with, apart from the earbuds that I've got on there at the moment, comes with a leather pouch with a whole other set. It also comes with the connection lead, but it comes with these. So it has different size fins in there, and I'll go into the fins in a minute, and the different size earbuds. So whatever you want to use, you can choose. Comes with a very, upside down, comes with a very simple quick start, and the charging time is 1.5 hours. Now, you are supposed to be able to get 8 hours playtime out of these. And there's a little leaflet that says I can get an extra 6 months warranty. When it's fully charged, the blue light comes on, so you know that they are charged. And I think they are really, really great. My concern when I saw the design, and this is the main reason why I'm actually doing the video, I'll put that back in there. The main reason I'm doing the video is because some people might look at them and think, ooh, that's a bit weird, I don't think that would be very comfortable, and so on and so forth. But these things are actually extremely comfortable, and they stay in place, which is very important. And this is very, very soft rubber. It's not going to cause any discomfort. And one of the things that I was concerned about with normal earbuds and things is I can't wear anything directly over my ears because I wear glasses, and I find it really, really uncomfortable. The larger headphones I find intolerable after about 5 minutes, even though I've got a decent set. So earbuds are definitely the way to go for me. But if you were looking at these and are thinking, ugh, don't much like the look of that, it's probably really uncomfortable. It isn't. It is supremely comfortable, and I think they're absolutely great. They're the Q30s, wireless earphones, built-in magnets design. Oh yes, I'd forgotten that. So that if you do have them around your neck, they're not going to come off and fall off. And the website is www.soundpeatsaudio.com. There we go. So if you want to look up any information, then you can go to that website and see all the information you need, I would guess. But yes, I think they're really great, and for me it makes life a lot more comfortable and a lot easier being relatively wire free and not attached to my laptop. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.